In this tutorial, we will learn code editor tricks. I am dividing these shortcuts into 4 major categories. Shortcuts for commenting, line editing shortcuts, search, find and replace, and we have multi-cursor and selection. So let us go to the VS Code editor where I have already written this code. To comment a line here, take the cursor to the line and press Ctrl plus slash. Or use Ctrl plus K and then C. It works both the ways. To remove that comment, you have to use the same keys, that is Ctrl plus slash, which is the easiest one, or use Ctrl K and then U, that is to uncomment. If you want to add a block comment, that is multiple line comment, then shortcut is Shift, Alt and A. Like I'm adding information of what the program is about. So the block comment can be added with Shift, Alt and A. Now let us see few line editing tricks. We will begin with the simple one, like if you want to go to the beginning of the line, then press Home key, and to jump to the end of line, press End key. Now here in this function, in this line, let me put A and B into a bracket by selecting A and B and then add brackets with Shift plus open parentheses. So there is no need to go to beginning and end one by one to add brackets. Similarly here in the console log, as I have written a string, I need to put them in quotes. So I will again select them and add single or double quotes with Shift plus double quotes or single quotes. In test.html file, I want to move the h1 line to the top. So I will press Alt plus up or down. So it will shift the current line accordingly. Similarly, to copy a line, the shortcut is Shift plus Alt plus up or down key, like this. So this is an easy way to rectify or change the code instead of cut and pasting the lines. Now let's say I want to edit few things in more than one lines at the same time, like here in the paragraph tag. So I will press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and up arrow or down key. And I will say paragraph here. This saves our time when we want to edit in alignment. Here in the head section, let's say I want to add title, script, link tags. Then I will simply type title and press tab. Similarly to script and link. You do not need to type the angular brackets. If I want to jump to the start of the file, the shortcut is Ctrl plus Home key, and similarly to go to the bottom, press Ctrl plus End key. One more interesting trick to collapse or unfold the section and subsection from huge line of code is collapse a section. Take the cursor to the section and press Ctrl, Shift and open square bracket. And to unfold it, again press Ctrl, Shift and closing square bracket. Similarly for subsections, the shortcut Ctrl plus K plus open square bracket is used to collapse, and again Ctrl plus K and closing square bracket will unfold the subregion. Now let's see search, find and replace techniques. When you simply want to find any variable, method or function name or any particular keyword, you can do this with Ctrl plus F. But if you want to replace the occurrences of the keywords, then the shortcut is Ctrl plus H. This is time saving. Here, if I type JavaScript, it searches for JavaScript. But if I turn on the match case option, it says no result because the case of the keyword does not match. Now let me change the J and S to uppercase. Now it shows one result. And let me replace it with VS Code and click on replace. Let us now see few multi-cursor and selection tricks. To add the cursor above or below the current line, press Ctrl Alt plus up or down key like this. Here I want to select the entire content of style tag, so I'll press Shift Alt and right key to expand the selection, and to shrink press Shift Alt left key. The shortcut to edit multiple lines, as we saw in this example, is called a multi-cursor selection trick. So these are the few tricks which you can use while editing the code.